is.
Hey man, welcome to my $50,000 room tour. Hey YouTube, make sure to click that subscribe button. This is for y'all. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, comment below what you guys think of the video and everything. Should we get started, bro? Come on in, bro. Take it. Come on in. Come on in.
I'm okay.
What?
I don't really want the tour anymore.
No, come in.
Are you sure? I don't really want it. It's okay. I don't want the tour.
You don't have a choice. Okay. All right. First things first, we're gonna save that for last. This is my cat tree. I actually built this on stream. Drop with me if you were there for that. Building my $100,000 cat tree. Did this with Betsy for an old video. Super nice. Over here we have my beautiful IKEA mirror. This one is a fat mirror, so obviously it alters my face a little. So nonetheless, that's what that is. Over here. Now, I know there might be a lot of people watching where their feng shui might be kind of fucked up. Guys, just let me explain. Right over here we have the off-white IKEA rug. If you remember, this was actually dropped back in the day when Virgil Abloh, I think he just passed away, maybe, or he was alive. Rest in peace. But this is his carpet. Next to that, we have a glass table, and then obviously we have my $10,000 couch. Wow, $10,000. Now let me know, is this a good investment for a $10,000 couch? It fits up to 6'3" people, as you can see. I'm about 6 foot, so it kind of just adds up. Very nice couch. Why don't you let them have a try? Let them have a try. Here, come here. Let them have a try. What do they think? What do you guys think? How does it feel? Feels good, okay. Over here we have my beautiful bed. Obviously it's peeling away right now. Nonetheless, it's a bed. You know, I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. Over here we have Iron Mike Tyson. I stole this shit actually. This is his shorts, game worn, and he actually signed it right here. Very nice of him. Over here we have a piano. It's actually really good. What's your favorite song?
I don't really listen to music.
What would be your favorite song though?
I usually just read.
You know, like if you had a favorite song, like what would it be?
I honestly couldn't even tell you the name of one song. I don't really listen to music.
Yeah, but like if you had to choose one song, like would it be? You like that song or not? Because we're about to play Call of Duty or not? Over here we actually have signed from Tom Holland himself. This is actually game worn. I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is game fucking worn by Tom Holland himself, the best Spider-Man, of course. He actually wore this on the set. It was patch certified, etc. You know how it goes. This is my $150,000 cat house. Burger used to be here before he got disintegrated by the heat in Calabasas. Rest in peace, Burger, in the chat. Obviously, we have Bobo on my bed. Then we have my 1 million subscriber plaque right here. That this is not an OG one, but it is an OG one. So the thing about me is, this is the plaque before they got shrunken. Now they're super tiny. But fun fact of the day, I actually got to 1 million subscribers with 23 videos, I think, or 33, and no YouTube shorts. Drop with me if you were there for that. We'll save this for last. Obviously, we have my beautiful closet with many, many things. We have a lot of shoe collection right here. We have a cool safe right there. We have sweatshirts. We have bags, cologne. Don't leak my cologne. I can't let them know what I smell like. Over here, obviously, we have my bathroom. Very nice bathroom. This is about a $450,000 bathroom. Very nice, as you can see. Oh, shit. I'm not sponsored by them, but, man, this shit kind of smells good. I'll dibble-dabble in this a little bit right here. Get away for this. It actually smells phenomenal.
Smells good.
Very nice. Now, you guys I've been seeing on TikTok a lot of people want to know my skincare routine. Guys, I'm not leaking it. I want to gatekeep how I look. Come here. Now, over here is the masterclass. So, we actually have 3 monitors set up right here. Very, very nice setup here. A 3-monitor setup. This is actually overkill, but I would say I use 3 monitors because it's more for interacting for me. I could read the chat, I could see the W's, I could see people say that I look good, etc. We also have a PC here. This is actually my $500,000 PC. I know, it's a very nice PC. It's got a 1050 Ti and an i6 6500K. Super nice. This is a payphone. I actually sang this song when I was trying to come home. Over here, we actually have my P.O. box shelf and like cool stuff shelf. A lot of stuff. And then we have my Messi jersey right here, signed by Messi himself. But to be honest with you, I don't really want this because who the fuck gives a shit about this? I think I might just throw this away. But it looks really nice. And yeah, bro, I think overall this room cost me about $5.10 million.
Bless you.
Make sure to click that like button. Make sure to click that subscribe button. And remember, anyone that's on YouTube right now, put a W in the chat because the YouTube chat, yeah.